How to set up an online meeting with Google Meet. Need to connect remotely for a work call, class, or virtual hangout? Look no further than Google Meet, a free and user-friendly video conferencing tool. This video will show you how to set up an online meeting with Google Meet in just a few clicks. Open your Google Calendar and click Create Event. Under Guest Details, add the email addresses of everyone you want to invite. Look for the Add Video Conferencing option and choose Google Meet. A meeting link will automatically be added to the event detail. Or from Google Meet directly, you can go to meet.google.com in your web browser, click New Meeting to create a meeting link that you can share with others, choose Join Now to start the meeting immediately, or pick Share Invite to send the meeting link via email or text message. Anyone with a meeting link can join the video conference. Click the link you received in the invite or calendar event. The first time you join a meeting, you might be prompted to allow camera and microphone access, so click Allow to enable video and audio participation. With Google Meet, say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to seamless online meetings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.